how did it progress? So when did you start looking elsewhere? Or did the financial crisis obviously happened.
Yep.
Tell me
Yeah.
how things what was the thought process there? Like, did M&A just dry up and then they started letting people go, or what happened?
Yeah, it dried up very quickly, and there was just no business. So um, that time, you look for an off ramp, and that's business school.
Right.
So I was working with a few private equity clients at the time, and one late night, I had a phone conversation with them and let them know that I'd be heading off to business school. And he suggested that I should probably get private equity experience prior to business school, because if I wanted to end up in the industry, I would have to have some type of tangible experience, because I would be a non-traditional, um, I guess,
It's great advice.
applicant. It is.
Yeah.
And I turned it on its head by asking him, well, since you're providing that advice, would you provide that experience for me as well? And he did.